Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use notes, reminders and calendar apps on Apple Watch SE 3. Let's start with the calendar app. In order to open it, just like any other app, you have to press the digital crown to open the list of applications, and then let's scroll to the calendar, open it. Now you can scroll through the events list using your digital crown, and you can change the view of your calendar by tapping the three dot icon in the bottom right corner of the screen and setting the view that you need, for example month. And you can also add events to your calendar, which is another feature of this app. To do so, tap the three dot icon, then you have to tap the plus icon in the top right corner of the screen, and this way you will start adding a new event. You can provide a name, a location into these fields, switch the toggle to the right if it's an all-day event, set the start date by selecting the value right here. Now to select a daytime value, you have to select first select the element that you want to change, and then change it using your digital crown. And to apply changes, just go back to the previous menu. Okay, and so basically all the events features that you can change here. To add a new event, you have to press OK icon in the top right corner of the screen, and this way the event will be added to your events list. Now if you want to use a notes app, you have to also find it on in the app library, then open it. And now to add a new note, you have to tap the icon in the bottom right corner of your screen and then enter your new note in here. Select the input method by tapping in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then once you select the input method, you can provide the message into your notes app, like I ate spaghetti today, and then tap done to add this note to your notes list. And it's the last notes that was added to your notes list will be displayed at the very top of this menu. And you can navigate between the notes by scrolling with your digital crown, and you can select any note that you like by just tapping on it. Some notes are only available to view on iPhone if it's a document or something else that your Apple Watch doesn't support. Okay, and that's basically it for this application. And now the last application is the reminders application. You can also find it on your apps list. And now you can add reminders to different lists in the reminders app by tapping on the list to which you want to add a reminder, scrolling to the very bottom of it, selecting add reminder, and then entering the reminder into this field, then tapping done when you're finished. And if the task is already finished, you have to tap the onto the circle next to the reminder that you added, and it will be moved to the completed reminders. You can also add a general reminder if you scroll down to the very bottom and then tap the plus icon right here, and then just like before, you have to provide your reminder into this field and then tap done when you're finished. And then you'll be able to find your reminders in the reminders on the reminders list at the very top. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.